Twerk sesh.
Okay.
This is my intro.
What is up, my army rosebud, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have a special guest named
Me. Wait.
This is my boyfriend Connor. You guys have never met him before because he's never been on my channel until today, and I love that the first video that you're on my channel is a BTS video. I dressed up Connor as every member of BTS for 7 beautiful days. It was amazing. Did you have lots of fun?
Yes. The time of my life.
Yeah, just fake. Before we jump into this video though, I do want to let you guys know, if you're a dancer and a BTS fan and lives in LA, I have a special announcement for you guys at the very end of this video. So definitely stay tuned to the very end to find out what that is. So let's jump into this video.
Hippity hoppity into this video. Hippity poppin'.
Okay, please. Okay, so the first day we did J-Hope because I felt like it was a pretty nice way to transition from normal human being to K-pop stars. He's very colorful and wears a lot of streetwear, and this is like the best I could do.
The first time we had to put my hair down. Makes your eyes itchy.
No, it doesn't.
How do you know?
You also have a mask today. Day one, day one. How do you feel, Connor?
Everyone's making fun of me.
No one's making fun of you. That pigeon likes your outfit. Is anyone even here?
Oh no. Oh, somebody is here. Oh.
This is K-pop. I know! My question still isn't answered. Why are you like this?
Jesse decided to say, you know what would be great if you dressed Connor up as BTS for your video.
Oh.
She was like, yeah, totally should. Doing a BTS challenge.
It's looking pretty nice.
Connor said he's gonna come home soon. How was your first day as a K-pop idol?
I'm famous now.
Success for the first day, you guys.
Ah yes, my least favorite outfit.
This was the best outfit, to be honest. You had a harness and you had earrings on and you had your hair all the way down. This was like the first day where you went to work and it was like, oh, K-pop, BTS, and everyone was like making fun of you. Morning guys, so for day 2 we have Jimin's outfit. The earring though, the earring, I'm so dead.
Look at the K-pop drip on this one. Yeah.
Good old Suga. This was a good one. This is where we had to split his hair like down the middle. We crimped one side and then we like curled the other side. So your outfit today is not that crazy. Here you go. Look at that curl.
You know, they changed the choreo. They did like this thing differently in the video, but then all the other like performances they do is different.
Jin's outfit! The pink hoodie, iconic pink hoodie. Today's Friday. Yay! Today is also Jin Day. You'll see. So for Jin's outfit, we got the great old dad hat.
The ones with the...
Then we also have the great old pink hoodie. Or better yet.
All hand hearts in the world with my mouth too.
I have...
Well, you kind of actually look like him.
This is fantastic.
Whoa. See, he did recognize you.
Can you please explain what this is?
You said you said you just want to dress up like this today.
Am I doing this right? I'm vlogging. I gotta get the bangs. Okay, let's do this again. I've been dressed up as Jin for the last 3 hours. Now, whenever I pick up a pen, my hand automatically does this. Hour number 5. Anytime somebody says something to me, the only thing I hear is idol.
BTS, I look like Jin.
I'm BTS friend. Honestly, you do kind of look like Jin.
Surprise, maybe I am Jin.
Did you say Jim? I'm pretty 1,100% sure you said Jim.
Check it in the footage.
Okay.
Maybe I am Jin.
We were like going out and about in downtown LA, so I decided to keep this one the most normal out of all 7 days, so you're welcome. Oh my gosh, is that BTS Jungkook?
Don't eat that. Don't lick that. Don't smell that.
We have to do the Jungkook move. 5, 6, 7, 8, we.
She was my photographer this time, because now I'm famous. Oh, follow me on Nava Bros.
They're gonna make a Nava Bros Instagram account where they copy my DIYs. Go give them a follow, it'll be up by this video. Nava Bros.
That's a lot of pressure.
Obviously we had to go to church, so I wanted to do like a kind of like not so crazy K-pop looks, and RM has a lot of contemporary inspired outfits, so I thought this one was perfect for Sunday. Yeah, this is way better.
It's like a f***ing grandma. Who the f*** wears this? What is
Maybe we
this?
have to have a scarf. Do I have a scarf?
I didn't see any pictures of him wearing any of this.
I looked up RM and he looks cool. I don't feel cool right now, babe.
At least give me a scarf so I can cover my face.
How you feel?
I feel like rapping
You feel like rapping.
like a monster.
I hate you. What do you think about Connor's BTS outfit?
I like it. It looks good. I really like this thing. I want it.
It's a women's cardigan.
That's fine. You show her the look. You gotta show them what RM looks like.
That denim jacket is just way too cropped.
What would you say if you saw somebody wearing this t-shirt?
I would say RM.
I like layering personally, but this was weird.
You're weird. Last but not least, we have my bias. Yay! It's the last day of the challenge. Are you excited, babe? So today's day is my bias's day.
Me.
Actually, he's my ultimate bias anyway, so. Last day, last day. It's been so fun so far, well for me. So this is the outfit today. It's pretty basic, a white button up, some black slacks, and a black moto jacket. But we're gonna add this necklace because I had a similar one to their Mama performance, and this earring.
Wait, pause.
Yeah.
You're telling me grown-ass men wear that earring?
Wow, your hair is like automatically turning into K-pop hair.
I wake up as BTS.
You woke up as BTS.
When we went to get coffee, the people downstairs just kept laughing at me instead of giving me coffee.
This is all Jesse's idea too. Like,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so you're welcome.
stop it!
Me and Kevin danced together, so we planned this whole thing to surprise Connor on his last day, and so I made Kevin dress up as Suga while he was dressed up as V. So I snuck out right now so I can meet up with Kane because we're gonna get Connor's reaction. Let's go!
What's up, Papa? Is that a choker?
It is a choker.
This is the last day. You planned this with Kevin?
Yeah.
Can I touch it? Is this real skin?
Look how open his mouth is.
Finger hard.
So we're gonna recreate this photo from Mic Drop. Outfit change. Suga has a blue ring. Don't got a blue ring, but I got a blue ring pop. Aren't you glad you're my girlfriend?
Girlfriend?
Aren't you glad you're my boyfriend? Pop quiz! Pop quiz! You're gonna have to name them, date of birth of them, sign, and blood type. I'm just kidding.
Got it. I know the first one. This is Mr. Monster.
Mr. Monster.
First name
Do you
rap.
think streetwear-ish?
J-Hope. That
You said it
one.
was your favorite.
Mr. Jin.
Oh, I'm just giving you no more for the rest of the quiz.
Mr. Cook.
Oh!
Is that right?
Yeah, did you just guess?
Yeah.
Oh, you're trash.
Because I actually
trash.
don't know the other names. I know that's V.
Okay, yeah, how do you
That's
know
V
that?
because you have a cardboard cutout of V in your apartment. Gas, Jimmy, Jimin. That's obviously Sugar.
Wow, you actually got like pretty much all of them right. Except for these two, I had to like give you hints.
7 out of 7.
Does that mean you're Army now?
No, I'm not.
So before we end this video, I do have that special announcement that I mentioned earlier in this video. I am doing a BTS and Halsey Boy With Love dance cover and dance choreography video. So if you guys live in LA and if you guys are a dancer and if you guys are a BTS Army, I'm giving you guys the opportunity to be in said video. So I will be uploading a dance tutorial where you guys will learn the dance and then you guys have to submit a video. The video will be linked down in my description box, so don't forget to check that out. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at the Nava Rose. If you guys want to connect with Connor, all his socials are at iConnors. Okay, that is all for our BTS video. We love you guys and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.